introduce me.
Mary Lynn Meyer does not need an introduction. She's part of the education team of Philosophy, and we know and love her not only for the education that you bring to us, the products that you bring to us, but your personality and your joy. You're so happy and lovely.
Thank you for allowing us to be in your show tonight.
Listen, today you're bringing us the vanilla cake. You're bringing
birthday.
You're bringing us the fresh cream. You're bringing us vanilla fig. I love vanilla fig. I haven't seen it in forever.
I didn't know you loved that.
Oh my gosh! And then fresh cream.
Are you cheating on fresh cream?
An OG favorite must-have in your bathroom. Today we're bringing you a big deal. Stands for before it's gone because the deal's too good. A $43 value on your 16-ounce and your 8-ounce shampoo, bath, and shower gel. This is head to toe.
Right.
And we're bringing it to you in the sense of vanilla. Now, our price is not $42. Our price is less than $30. We have it for you at a $7.50 easy pay with free shipping. And you're showing them, really, you can use this everywhere.
Everywhere, head to toe. This is your hair care and your body care. It's coming to you from a brand, Philosophy, that was born in the medical marketplace. We always put the health of your skin first and foremost. And with this formulation, this is a skin-soothing, hydrating, and deeply cleansing formula that's sulfate-free. Our dermatologists have even said this is so kind to your skin. Even the most sensitive skins can use this. This is going to be non-irritating. It's got the skin-hugging moisture complex.
Oh my gosh, look at
when
that.
you take a bath or shower with this, it's almost like you're just cuddling with the bubbles. There's just this ultimate layer of cushion that you apply. And when you use it on your hair is bouncy and shiny and healthy. So it's one product that not only cleanses and hydrates, but lifts your spirits and just puts you in the most like soul-soothing situation,
I love that.
all based in vanilla.
Listen, as a big deal, over 3,000 orders have already been placed. If you want birthday cake and you're wondering, what does it smell like? It smells like the best vanilla birthday cake ever.
Yeah.
We have only 500 remaining.
Oh,
okay,
no.
so please don't wait on that.
That's kind of a back from the vault scent.
Yeah.
Like you've all been asking for it for a long time. We don't have it very often, so if you love it, pick it up.
And then fresh cream, warm cashmere. I remember when we launched this. I was already working here when we launched this, and I haven't seen it in a while.
Well, fresh cream warm cashmere doesn't stay around very long because it got really popular. You know, we introduced fresh cream, which is this light hint of vanilla, and then fresh cream warm cashmere came along kind of like the sister, but the sophisticated sister. There's this airy wisp of warmth and sweetness. There's a little caramel in there. There's a buttery shortbread with a splash of coconut water and a juicy tangerine that is just delectable. It's such a delight to warm yourself up with the fresh cream warm cashmere scent.
Oh, I love it. And then, okay, let's talk about vanilla fig.
So sweet vanilla fig was our first aromatic scent. If you like something that's lush, something that's romantic and alluring, this scent combines this juicy, earthy, ripe fig with soothing vanilla. There's also some sandalwood and these lush florals that, to me, is a very more sophisticated, fragrance-like.
I always say, if you love Amazing Grace and you want to kind of venture into gourmand, sweet vanilla fig is the place to go.
And you can absolutely wear your Amazing Grace really over any of these,
yes,
but definitely over this, because the scent is only going to be there for the time that you're experiencing your shower or your bath, to just kind of forget about the moments and let every day feel like that fresh dollop of perfectly whipped vanilla.
And then fresh cream, you're seeing it on your screen right now. That fresh cream at one point was the most searched for term on QVC.com. You and I have made fresh cream with the original, recipe many times.
And you would never ever buy fresh, whipped cream out of a can anymore once you make it, because it's so easy. It's just vanilla and a little bit of the confectioner sugar. Did we use that
sugar, and then we would just whip it up.
Just whip it up. But the key is making sure that the bowl is chilled before you whip it up.
Yes,
I learned that.
So here's the thing, right? Shampoo, bath, and shower gel. You can use this head to toe, but I always love showing this, Mary Lynn, because it's the cold, cold dead of winter. By the way, it's freezing in this studio tonight. But here's what I want you to see. When I wash my hands, and excuse the little boo-boo that I have there, but when I wash my hands, look, there are no, my cuticles are more hydrated than they were before. I don't necessarily run to reach for the
Hand cream or
the
anything.
hand cream or anything like that.
You don't need to.
Now you're getting a 16 ounce. You're also getting the 8 ounce. The 16 ounce on its own would be $36. For $29.98, you're gonna get the 16 ounce, and we're gonna throw in that 8 ounce as well for you, so that you can have that in another bathroom. You can take that on the go with you. No matter which one is your favorite?
Okay, so fresh cream warm cashmere I think is so sexy, and so I just think it is the most beautiful smell. And I do notice that when I have this on, like when I'm like my husband hugs me a little tighter. I just think this smells so good. I like this because I have the 32 ounce in my shower, but sometimes I do want to switch out different scents.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
feel like
you
this
wanna
is
try
a good
something new.
like size to do that.
I
even
think
if
so
it's
too.
soft.
You know, we present a lot of the giant 32 ounces. So if you're in one of those positions where you want to try something new, but you don't want to invest in that big bottle, thank you,
You're
kind
welcome.
sir.
Trying to
It's a
be a
great way to try it.
It's nice Easter gifts.
You are a good
All right,
gentleman.
so listen, vanilla birthday cake. That one is the most limited. We also have fresh cream warm cashmere, sweet vanilla fig, and then there's your fresh cream, the original. A 684269 is your item number. We love you, Marilyn. Thank
love you
for coming
too.
out
So
here.
good to
Thanks
see
so
you.
much.
You made everything
Thanks
smell
so
so
much.
pretty.
All right, so listen, this show goes by so fast.
So fast.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you are heading off to be back in the morning.
Yes, 10 a.m. I have Saturday morning Q.